Good morning, guys. So I'm here in the Isle of Medellin, center in the Isle of Medellin. So dati, guys, there's a lot of people or motorists will come by and come here. So enjoy the ride here in the long Isle of Medellin. But now I observe that a few riders or motorists will come and visit here. I don't know what the reason behind. So this is the view. So on that area, you can see the view, sugar cane plantation. Also in my right side, you can see the view of the banana and also the sugar cane. So guys, ito po once again, this is the view of the Isle of Medellin, Cebu, Philippines. Tinatawag na ito ng isle, guys, kasi dahil it's a very straight line road. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Alger Lamban TV. Thank you so much for watching.